Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you the benefit of eating one pink lady apple every day. Well, pink lady apples are a good source of vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which supports the immune system, and it also contains vitamin A, which is vital for your eye health. Then it has a lot of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes gut health. It has antioxidant power. Uh, they contain flavonoids and polyphenols that help protect your cells from damage. So these are the names of antioxidants. Then coming to the heart health, the fiber, antioxidant, and potassium in pink lady apples can contribute to better heart health by helping to reduce cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure. Then this apple can help you in your weight management. Being low in calories and high in fiber, they can help you feel full longer, which can aid in weight management. Also, apples have a high water content, which helps you keep hydrated. So, munching on a pink lady apple a day is a tasty way to support your overall health. Now, some people ask me question, which one is the best apple? Okay. Well, all apple varieties have their own unique nutritional benefit, but some do stand out for their nutritional profiles, such as Granny Smith apple, that is the green one. These apples are particularly high in fiber, which is beneficial for digestive health. They are also lower in sugar as compared to pink lady apple. Okay, so uh, if you are having like a sugar problem, it's not big difference, but the Granny Smith apple, one medium size apple like around 182 grams, that contains 10 grams of sugar. Okay, as compared to pink lady apple, which contains approximately 15 grams of sugar. I mean, I'm talking about a medium size apple that is equivalent to 182 grams. So, a Granny Smith apple generally has about 5 grams less sugar as compared to pink lady apple. Okay, and here I am going to tell you an interesting thing, that you should not be comparing this sugar, I mean, which comes in fruits. I mean, the sugar which comes in fruit is a fructose type of sugar, okay, with very small amounts of glucose and sucrose. I mean, it is unlike that white table sugar, which is sucrose. And the natural sugars in apples come along with fiber, water, vitamins, and other nutrients that help to slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. So, consuming sugar in whole fruit is generally considered healthier than consuming refined sugars, because the fiber and nutrients in fruits provide various health benefits and help maintain steady blood sugar levels. So this is an advantage of eating whole fruits. So I strongly recommend, if you eat whole fruits, that is good for you. Okay. And if you have a little bit of concern about sugar, then better to eat that green Granny Smith apple. Although there is a very little difference between, between the sugar quantities, as I told you before. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please comment and also share this video with your family and friends. Thank you very much. Bye for now.